Guys, I just get back now. I'm going to Dollar General to see what we can grab some of this free body wash. This is stock up, so hopefully we can. So hang tight with me. Hit like and subscribe, share this channel. Okay, so thank God that it's empty in here. It is empty. And I just want to hurry up, grab this little free stuff because we doing a stockpile. Look at this in here. I want you all to see that they have name brand items in here. Name brand. They got Turkey Hill, they sell ice cream, root beer ice pops, swirls, ices, Michelin. They sell all of this stuff up in here. So, and a lot of times you can snag some of this stuff for free. But let's see what, if they got, we need these. I have the 75% off one. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. And let's get the coupon for it. See? I think you can only use 2. So there you go. 1 Jimmy Dean refrigerated product. So it's 25 cents. So I'm going to grab 2 of those like they say we can. And then I'll take you down the drink aisle, which they do not have. When I had the coupons for the Old Orchard, I think I got like 30 of those. Stock up. Cheez-Its. You should grab a lot of those. I do need to go down the cereal aisle. Let me see. So let's go down the cereal aisle also. I do want to buy me some tea. I want to get one of those. So let's get down that aisle. We're going to go down the cereal aisle. Okay. So I got Campbell's in here. Green Giant. God, they got so much. Hormel. Chef Boyardee, the old cans. Still work. Okay. Domino Sugar. They got the Vienna Bites in here. Mac and cheese. Oh, behind Hippo North. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Let me see if I can get that. Let's see if they'll give it to me off. Oh, yeah, okay. So, this is the thing. Yep, I think I can get it for that. I'm going to get, I think it's Pillsbury. Let me look for that coupon and see if that's it. Yep. So, you can get 1 Pillsbury frosting and 1 cake mix and get $1 off. Okay. See? Let me make sure there ain't no size limit. Nope. So that's a good buy. And let me see how many times we can get it. And I think I got 2 of them. So let's hope we do. Yay! Let's get 2 of them. So let's grab this one. And another frosting. Okay. So you see that? I told you can get food. Let me check the cereal. Let me see if it'll work. If not, we ain't gonna bother with it, okay? They say it beeps, we can't use it, we're gonna put it back. That's all to it. It ain't no big deal. Box of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And get 2 of these. And then that's the coupon for that one, right? And then let me see if they got any cereal, which they do. So let's see if we can grab 2 boxes of cereal and see if this one will work. If not, if it beat, put it back. Don't even see. They got Hot, Sunny D. They got a lot of stuff in here. So the ideal is we ain't gonna complain. Okay, life's too short. We ain't gonna complain. So let's go down this aisle, and I'm gonna go. We gotta get body wash, and we need to get lime away. So let's get that. Okay. So go down this aisle. And here is the lime away. Okay, so the lime away is, I have 2 of those. They 75 cents. So let's get 2 lime aways. Okay. I try to put all my coupons in one pile. Let's get the other one. There you go. And then I don't know if they have the Nivea. I don't remember seeing it yesterday. Well, let me see if they, I don't think they have the dishwashing detergent either, but a dishwasher itself. Okay. They also have Glad in here, guys. Look at that. Glad. Newbies. Go stock up if you can. If you go in a regular store, you are not going to pay 25 cents for lime away. You're going to pay whatever it is, and you're going to get that little 75 cents off. See that? We got Scott. But sometimes, guys, make sure it's worth it. I don't think that's worth it. So I really don't buy it unless it's going to be 50 cents. Okay? So, hey. And you know I'm muffled because I have my mask on. So, I'm out. Mask on, social distance, doing all that good stuff. Okay, let's go down this aisle. Is this the aisle with the body wash? You know, I couldn't find it yesterday. I came in here. It was so embarrassing. The man said the body wash in back of you. I said, oh, okay. Okay, so here we go. 2 coats. So we're going to grab these 2 coats. These should be free. Because we got these coats, okay. And just 2 of those. So we can use 2 of those. I didn't see the finish. I didn't see the Nivea. Let me make sure. Nope, but they got Dow, they got Coast. We could about that. Let's go back down this aisle and see if we can get these. If not, no worries. Go ahead on back where you live. Okay? I actually need a welcome mat. Mine look terrible. Let me see. Scrubbing bubbles. That's what I'm looking for. And I do need to go into another one. My little project I was doing. And in my Walgreens video, you'll see I bought that. Yes, because if you're not going to get a good deal on it, don't even waste your time. Just grab it wherever you can. I don't see any scrubbing bubbles. Nope. No scrubbing bubbles. So let's go to the counter and see how I do. And hey, share this video. This is for newbies. I want to show you how to coupon and Dollar Tree. Okay, guys. So those coupons actually went through. Fantastic. So I had $7.50 in coupons. My subtotal is $15. I paid $8.23 out of pocket. So all of this stuff from Dollar General, what you saw me put in the basket, was a go. Those were a go. Now I have plenty more of these coupons for the cereal and for the cake. Don't y'all get mad when you only buy a certain amount of coupons, because we was on social distancing and couldn't go out. So, and we still are on social distancing, but I gotta go and get stuff for my kids. I have to go back to work. So my kids will be at a daycare, and I have to get food for them. So I had to go out and shop. A trusted daycare that I trust. So I did get the breakfast. I'm going to go back and try a couple of more of these. This was free to all my newbies. Please, please, please don't buy no body wash nowhere else. Go to Dollar Tree. If you have that Zest Coast coupon, go to Dollar Tree and grab these. In fact, I'm going to tell you what you can do. This is a little tidbit that I used to do. A tip. If you need these coupons, which do not expire until the 26th of this month, I mean, you got a while before they expire. If you can go to a clipping site, go see if they got these coupons. If they do, get those coupons, order them. They be like 10 for $1.50. You could start your stockpile off with 10 of these for free. I love my newbies, so I'm going to tell you the real deal. I used to use coupon clipping sites, and I still do. I still do. If you need to buy these. This was a quarter. This removed lime, calcium, rust. Lime away. This is really good. Grab them. Order that from the clipping site. This is the only thing I didn't have a coupon for. And I don't like that. Y'all know I'm a coupon queen over here. My kids eat these for snacks, guys. They was 50 cents. Hey, if you could grab those for 50 cents, go grab them. Fill your stockpile up. I'm going to fill my stockpile up with these things. I don't want to lie to you all about, oh, I don't use clipping sites. Yes, I do. I use clipping sites. And that's why I'm telling you to go do it. Get this stuff. It's free. And the cake mix. I just bought a bunch of cake mix, but we ended up donating so much of it to the daycares and like the home daycares. I donated all of that one. I got a Walmart video where I went and bought a lot of cake mix for 10 cents, 25 cents. I donated all of it. So I went and stacked up on some more cake mix and the cream to go on top of it, the icing. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to link my stockpile video down there because it's some tips in there that I give that the newbies need to be aware of. And this video, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, now I'm doing shopping for the daycare that my kids got to go back to. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Hey, share this page, hit like and subscribe. I want to get my name out there so they'll see I am trying to build up for newbies. This is for beginners. And even though I've been in the game 12 years, I think beginners would benefit a lot from some of the videos that I do. Thank you. Bye.